Hey everyone, set up all your cars. We are back with this 2010 60 registered Audi A6 2.0 TDI S-Line Special Edition. 46,000 miles, might be 45. Absolutely immaculate. You will not find a better one than this. Full Audi service history up to 45,000. And honestly, it is, well, yeah, as near as damn it perfect. It is the facelift car. It's got the xenon lights. It's got the 19-inch Le Mans alloys, which are all in really nice condition. Got 4 virtually brand new Falcon tyres. It is, excuse the moped out the back there. Absolutely immaculate. Rear parking sensors, your reg number to carry out any checks that you may wish to do. As usual, we do carry out all of the checks before we buy them, so there should be no nasty surprises for you guys. You're not going to find better than this. You're really not. Especially with just the one owner, since it was more or less new, and the full Audi history. Let's show you inside. Really big boot on these. This one's got split folding rear seats. Also comes with a 19-inch full-size alloy wheel as a spare. And as you expect, everything is perfect. Even down to the plastic trim here, look. Not really any marks on there at all. The interior of this car is fabulous. Black Velcro leather, oil marks, rear Isofix, rear armrest, rear electric windows, 3 proper seat belts. Same again in the front. Absolutely immaculate interior. With the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. The aluminium trim on this door, still like new. That's just a bit of dust there, look. These sometimes get quite scratched with people getting in and out with keys, but not the case with this one. It's got auto lights and wipers. Steering wheel, perfect. Cruise control just there, look. Mileage is 46,546. I'm going to start the car, get the aircon on, because it is warm. So there you go, it starts without issue. Just flag up that it's due a service in 20 days, so we will get an oil service carried out before it leaves us. But yeah, no warnings, even got 3/4 of tank of fuel, look. As we move over to the centre, it's got the HDD navigation with your radio, media inputs with the SD card and CD changer all in the glove box. Bluetooth telephone. Navigation with maps, and then all your car settings, etc. Down here we've got your dual climate control with icy cold air conditioning and your 2 heated front seats. Aluminium centre console, 6-speed gearbox. Again, all perfect, all immaculate. Right down to the cup holder, armrest with another cup holder underneath. Glove box with your media system and CD changer and handbooks all in there. Auto dip rear view mirror, and that about concludes. I'll say it again, You won't find better. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you do need vehicle finance, we can help with that as well. Cheers for watching. Thanks everyone.